Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login on the UrPay app using an app. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and simply log in using a username and password. Once logged in, you will see your home screen. From the home screen, tap on menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on settings. Now inside the settings menu, look for security or login security. Tap on it. Now find the option called biometric login, Face ID or Touch ID. Depending on your iPhone model, turn the switch on to enable biometric login. Your iPhone will now ask you to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your phone's password. This step helps keep your account secure. Once confirmed, biometric login is successfully enabled. From now on, whenever you open the UrPay app, you can simply look at your phone or use your fingerprint to sign in. No need to enter your passcode each time. And that's it. You have successfully enabled biometric login on the UrPay app using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.